Okay, guys, we are at Hidden in the Hills in Cave Creek, and it's a bunch of art studios scattered around Cave Creek, and we're gonna show you some of the weirdest or quirky or most
beautiful artwork.
Yeah, you bet. So come along with us.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come.
Okay, some of you, probably most of you don't know Cave Creek, Arizona. It's a quirky little western town, just on the North Valley, north side of Phoenix. So yeah, it's
An artsy town, which just proves to show that it is.
yeah, mostly western type
Yeah.
style, rustic art.
Yep.
So yeah, let's go keep looking.
All about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreaming.
Look at these views. There's Black Mountain. We're on the north side of Cave Creek Road. There's Carefree right over here. Oh yeah. I think there's like 44 or something like that total studios, all in the surrounding area here.
And
We're
they
not- we're only
all
gonna-
have what, 3-4 artists in the studio.
And we're only going to hit a few here today. See these studios. We're just right here in the desert, middle of the desert. You find whatever. Rattlesnakes out there, scorpions, tarantula, javelina. It's so cool. Just these eclectic, interesting properties out here. These artists from all over the country, they come here, second houses or second homes, vacation homes, whatever.
No, that Nancy.
Interesting stuff. More sculptures here. All right, what'd you think of that?
It was cool.
What's cool?
Honestly, I like looking inside some of the houses better than some of the artwork. But there was some really unique artwork, some really different things. Very pretty.
They were doing a wine tasting on the back patio, so we each had a little glass of wine.
A little hors d'oeuvre.
Hors d'oeuvre. So look where we are here. Okay, yeah, this is Carefree. So that's Black Mountain again. We're on the south side of Black Mountain.
Pretty unique. If you come down here, this art festival, whatever, happens the weekend before and after Thanksgiving. So 2 weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So if you're down here for a holiday, for Thanksgiving, besides enjoying downtown Cave Creek.
And 75 perfect degrees.
Yeah, and then just being able to go around to these places and just appreciate the all the artwork. Look at that eagle up there on top of that rock too. Just like
Metal eagle, if you could. Okay, we'll see you soon. Okay, that was kind of fun. This is the business I've been talking about. This is a listing I got from a past client, and it sold in just 4 days. They're doing the home inspection right now, so I'm going to stay out of their way. But I'm going to try and quickly show you guys this house. Yeah, God's great. Look at this. This is in the same area as the Hidden in the Hills. Beautiful house. Got some water features here I don't have on. I don't want to mess with what they're doing with the inspection. This is a guest house, or casita as they like to call them in Arizona and Phoenix. And this gentleman is an author that I met back in 2015. And he and his wife are just a real nice people to work for. But yeah, let's go check this out. All right. Beautiful, huh? 1,750,000. And just under 5,000 square feet. Master bath. And move here through quickly. I thought you guys might like to see what business I've been talking about. I've been doing real estate in the valley for 12 years now. And I always dreamed of going full-time RVing though. And I needed a break, and I still need a break, but I had to come back for this listing. Kitchen. Go around here. There's a hallway. Hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. Guess I'm getting dizzy. There's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. They turned this into a kind of a den, TV room. So I don't have all my lights on, but here's a Jack and Jill bath. Guest bed. Another guest bed. Another bathroom. Travertine tile. Three-car garage. Oh look, there's Bear. I'm going to show you this backyard. This is a blowout backyard. That's my goodness, if you can't have a good party in this backyard, I don't know if you can anywhere. So won't bother those guys. Look at this pool. Water. There's a spa up there. There's a water feature here. This waterfall. Look at that. Little gas fire pit here. Another water feature here. Outdoor kitchen, bar, yep. Running water back there. Great little sitting area with the fire pit. Okay, yeah, that's the buyer over there. I don't want to bother him. So. Yeah, so anyway, that's the business I got going. We are still going to be heading out of here after the first of the year, probably to Quartzsite area. God bless, love each and every one of you, and we will see you in a few days.